Nice.
Where we ended up at last. I know that we can never change the past.
Bye, sayang.
Alright, so Damian is going to Nusa Penida, and I'm so sorry that I couldn't come with you, honey. I need to work.
I know. See you tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah, enjoy your time in Nusa Penida,
Yeah.
okay? Bye.
We had it all worked out. Something feels a little different now.
Alright guys, so as you can see, as Winnie said, I'm going to Nusa Penida for 1 night, 2 days, or maybe 2 nights, 2-3 days, we'll see. And now I'm going to the harbor, and you can see behind me is super quiet, it's nobody here, only few people. We will see there. I was in Nusa Penida a few times, but this one will be completely a new experience with no people.
Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why?
It is bit windy. I just got the ticket. The ticket cost me 300k, not so bad. Return way, so open ticket, I can go and back anyway, any day in this month. This is the offices and some people waiting, they are mostly local, and over there is the boats. There is only one boat, as you can see, and it's quite windy today, so will be all interesting way to going to Nusa Penida. I think I will have a coffee first and check this out, how busy is here. Anyway, I see only I think one white guy as me, and that's it. Mostly are local and Balinese who are going to pray in Nusa Penida. Normally it's millions of people. As you can see on the one of my old video, was so busy just in February this year. Okay, coffee time now. Morning! Hot cappuccino to go, please. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Alright guys, I got my coffee. I hope so. The boat boarding is not yet, but I think so, it's still okay. Super windy. Quick update. Now Nusa Penida is open. You can go to Nusa Penida without any tests. You just go to the harbor, buy ticket, go, come back. No quarantine, no test, no nothing. So super cool. I'm very curious how it is there. I was been there many times and always was super busy. I expect it will be not many people, especially no tourists there. So we will see.
El lunes, vamos a bailarlo, vamos a danzarlo. It's Ricky Baker on the beat,
Es difícil disimular lo que pasa por mi mente cuando te tengo de frente, yeah. Esas ganas de tocar ese cuerpo lentamente, divertirnos malamente con tu piel.
Alright, as you can see, I'm on the boat, not so many people.
Baila hasta que la noche se acabe, bailamos salsa y reggaetón. Eres hermosa y a tu cuerpo lo sabe, que bailas con esa pasión.
I will sit where is the cargo area at the back. That's the golden tip. If you have problems with boats and stuff like this, better sit here first. It's the fresh air. Second is the less bumpy because the engines are over here.
Hermosa, tú eres la mera mera. Me encanta el look de la nueva era. Dile a Mike que ya le encontré nuera, que esa nena ya es mía, la loca para afuera. Así que tranqui, tranqui, que ella se lo goza con un funky, funky. La beso y brinco como un monkey, monkey. Es tan dulce que le dicen pinky, pinky, bebé.
Eres mi miel, mi Anabel, tu favorito y tu perro fiel. Ese nivel en que te cargas, se te ve tan bonita en esa tanga. Dale, muévelo, muévelo, muévelo. Cuando cuento tres me invita on the floor. Dale, muévelo, muévelo, muévelo. Tú naciste pa' esto, pa' el reggaetón.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Alright guys, I just arrived to Nusa Penida. This is my driver. He gonna brings me to the hotel what Winnie organized for me. Check this out. The condition like this one in Nusa Penida, only one boat a day.
Baila hasta que la noche se acabe. Bailamos salsa y reggaetón. Eres hermosa y a tu cuerpo lo sabe. Que bailas con esa pasión. Si lo haces como eso lo mueves. Yo me imagino eso en acción. Chica, sé que tú tienes la clave. Baila conmigo esta canción.
El lunes.
Yeah. Baila conmigo,
Alright guys, just arrived to the hotel. What Winnie choose for me, super cool. Got already welcome drink, the stuff is so nice. Two people pick me up from the hotel, from the harbor. Seems it's very quiet. Pool infinity with ocean view. Thank you, sayang.
El lunes.
yeah. Baila conmigo, baila conmigo.
Vamos a darle adelante.
Alright guys, I just checked in my villa what Winnie choose for me. Very nice. This building is brand new, just opened in May, 2 months ago. 2 or 3 months, 2 months ago in May, so it will be May. I will just quickly show you around. This is 1-bedroom villa, ocean view. Here is the small wardrobe and stuff, and the bathroom. Typically Nusa Penida style. However, this building is coming from architecture from East Java. So it's like this one, and I show you outside quickly. It's like this. There's the pool and the ocean over there. Alright guys, so now I have to check in my villa, beachfront, and this is literally beachfront. This is the villa and this is the ocean. It's literally 5 meters. I checked 5-6 meters to the beach and to the water. Super cool.
Muévelo, 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 muévelo. Lunes, los más lunáticos.
Alright guys, just arrived to Penida Colada. This is our favorite place with Winnie. I will show you guys around a little bit. For sure I wanna have a coffee and some lunch. It's 12 o'clock before I gonna arrive to any touristic object.
Ella sabe que yo no estoy jugando, quiero algo más, no solo sexo. ¿Cómo que no fue? Si yo recuerdo que fue ayer. Un par de tragos después pa'l cuarto, lo hicimos hasta el amanecer. ¿Cómo que no fue? Sé que te acuerdas lo que te dije, que de tus besos tenía sed, que yo soy serio, no pa' vaciles. No, 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 no.
As you can see, the place is quite busy, full of the white people like me. By the way, check this out. Super cool, just at the front to the beach. Alright guys, quite many people is coming everywhere, so that's the sign. This is very good place. By the way, check this out. My food arrived, Eggs Benedict. Unfortunately, no coffee at this time because it's the problem with electricity. It's normal thing in Nusa Penida. So check this out. This Egg Benedict, so nice.
Oye, perdona por todos los males. Es que tu no estaba en mis cabales. Esa es la excusa que dio. Pero perdona, hermosa, no sé si me vale.
Alright guys, welcome to Nusa Penida. This is the vibes. My skin already gets sunburn. As you can see, soon will be matched with my t-shirt. But anyway, now is the time to explore a little bit of the west part of island. And yeah, tomorrow will be east, today will be the west part. And stay tuned, guys.
Lunes, Ricky Baker. Ella sabe que con quien está hablando tú me conoces más. No juegues, no.
Just behind me is the famous Angels Billabong, and normally supposed to be a lot of people over here, people who gonna make a pictures, but yeah, I'm only the one. But some people are walking somewhere over here, some tourists, but just looks like 5 people in total. Yeah, that's how it looks like.
Now I miss you and I want you to be there again. Don't wanna grow another day. We can say forever young.
Normally where I work now is so many people, seriously, like, and this is the same people who actually I saw in the restaurant where I had the breakfast lunch. So yeah, that's how it is. Let's go to the Broken Beach, which is just on at the front of me. We will see.
Fall in love with the rest unsung. Please hold my hand and ask me out to prom. And we can stay forever young.
Where are you guys? Where are you? Nobody gonna say now as I cannot make a selfie. I can do how long as I want. Of course, I'm not kidding about that as was people. I will show you guys a picture video from the 3-4 months ago. Now. So many people. So this is the backside of Nusa Penida. So many people. Sorry, you wanna be on YouTube. So bye! I got a drink. So happy with that. The baby was doing dishes, super cute. But the mom gets not scared, but she gets shy when I record her. Yeah, so sad actually, as it's so quiet, right? I will go to Clinking Beach now, but I don't expect us will be much more people.
Me di cuenta el dolor de cabeza que pa' mí eres cuando tú empiezas de un lado a otro como una pieza que se perdió en un rompecabezas. Tell me, porque yo no entiendo. Silly, es como me siento. Que yo soy un bobo, o es que nunca aprendo a que las mujeres no aprecian lo que yo tengo. Tell me, porque yo no entiendo. hacerme miradas, yeah, 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 yeah. Pero tu actitud no es tu mejor virtud. Baby, si comparamos no habrá similitud. Tú te comportas a lo yo soy cool, pero no es tan cool perder algo por tu ingratitud. Tell me, porque yo no entiendo. Silly, es como me siento. Que yo soy un bobo, o es que nunca aprendo.
Alright guys, I'm arrived to the Klingking Beach, which is the most famous place in Nusa Penida. And it's few local people, Indonesians, tourists. But good thing is it's the nice road now. Long time ago the road was disaster. Sad thing is now, as you saw, is something like a beach club is built there, and on the way so many constructions. So basically commercialism is the word like that. Commercialism in Bali and Nusa Penida is so big. This is the famous Klingking Beach. Beautiful, isn't it? I was planning to go down to the beach. I never been. Whenever I'm in Nusa Penida, I wanna go there, exactly there. But the path, as you can see, is so disaster and so dangerous. And I promised to Winnie, I will don't go if there's nobody there, and nobody is there. So I'm not gonna go, sorry guys. Anyway, this is like super extremely difficult and dangerous. I don't even know if the path is open, but yeah, I'm not gonna go, sorry guys. But I will fly drone. And this is the beginning of the stairs. Maybe next time.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you.
Alright, I just fly drone. Good job. I didn't know as my Mavic Pro have a sort of strong signal, because always signal lost. But if no people, I can fly. Woo! So cool. I will go hotel and chill out a little bit.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's
guys, honestly, as you saw, the roads are better than before. If you ever been in Nusa Penida, that's because of they got money from the tax of the tourists. Long time ago, where every time you go to Nusa Penida you had to pay 30k, and then that's gonna be for the infrastructure, for the roads. That happens. However, some roads are still old school, like I know. Honestly, I'm lost now, a little bit. No, it's everything under control. But check this out where I am. This ocean over here. Beautiful rocks. I think over there somewhere is clinking because it's not so far away. And I arrived here because I saw some sign as the waterfall is here. I didn't know as in Nusa Penida have a waterfall, and I never been this waterfall. It seems like I have to go there. Over there is the temple. I don't know how to get there. Super hot, and the stairs are going down. They are nice stairs, but it's so hot. Should I go or not, guys? Alright guys, I'm sorry, but at this point I have to give up. It's not because I'm scared or something, but first the path is going so badly narrow, and I think you have to go to the bottom, to the cliff. I didn't took even water with me. I didn't drink long time. I will just go back. Sorry guys. Sorry, you have to forgive me, but this is just for the safety reason. And yeah, if something happened to me down, no, you know what's gonna happen. Nobody gonna find me for a long time. Yeah. I'm pretty sure the waterfall is down there. Yeah, I think the waterfall is down there somewhere. I will zoom it for you. Pretty sure the waterfall is there. Check this out, guys. This is where the waterfall is finished. I will go now to Crystal Bay or home. It's already 4:15. Everyone who ever been in Nusa Penida, you know guys how it's hot here and how it's challenging to explore here. And I'm driving by bike, so it's even more difficult. See you later guys. So this is the famous Crystal Bay beach. It's really beautiful and it's so empty. If you ever been in Nusa Penida, you're supposed to be here, and I'm pretty sure you never saw the beach as quiet as now, but yeah, that's how it is. It's beautiful. Alright guys, just arrived home. Can you see my sunburn? This is what I'm saying. Whenever you go to Nusa Penida, will be like this. Alright, this is the beach. Beach is now bigger because it's low tide. I think Bali is over there. This is the pool. Pool is over there. I will jump now to the pool. This is my villa. It's super quiet. Later I will go to have a dinner. I think to the same place because it's seems like most of the things is closed. Yeah, that's how it is. Hi, sayang.
Hi, Eddie. How was your day?
Oh, I got a sunburn.
Oh, that's okay. You're still ganteng though.
Really?
Still ganteng. I hope you enjoy Nusa Penida, ya.
Yes, sayang.
I'm so happy that you really have a good time there.
Oh, thank you, sayang. How is your day?
Good, good. Busy as usual.
As usual. Alright, sayang. I will have something to eat and see you tomorrow, yeah?
Bye.
Bye, sayang. Alright guys, so I'm in the Penida Colada again. I just got a coffee, ordered some food, having juice, watching my own video, which is on now on YouTube. And yeah, just spoke with Winnie, and I will show you the food and the place around at night. Nice! Alright guys, my dinner arrived, which is this one. No burger and no pizza today. By the way, this is the ikan bakar, which is the grilled fish fillet. Red rice, chili, and some veggies with the pineapple, pina colada. Penida colada. I'm tired and sunburned, so you have to forgive me. But the food looks great. I believe it stays the same. Alright guys, I'm just after my dinner. The fish was so delicious. Really good place. Fully recommended for everyone who's coming to Nusa Penida. And I think that will be enough for today's vlog. It's quite a lot, quite long. I show you almost everything what you can see in West Strip in Nusa Penida. Tomorrow will be the East Strip, and I will show you more how's the local people in Nusa Penida living, and it's very beautiful scenic road, ocean scenic road, and yeah. So see you tomorrow guys. New vlog every day 7 PM Bali time, GMT +8. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and yeah, see you tomorrow guys. Just edited the video for tomorrow. Can you hear the sound of the ocean? It's time to go sleep.